I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking tilapia fish in the air fryer. So we need tilapia and seasonings. I'm going to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. You can use any types of seasonings you like. And I'm also going to spray the air fryer basket with a non-stick meat spray so fish doesn't stick. If you'd rather not use the spray, you can also brush the bottom of the basket with vegetable oil. So I'll just spray it with a non-stick spray. And now I'm going to season tilapia on both sides. So I'll just sprinkle it with seasonings. Here's salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And you can rub the seasonings in, distribute them evenly. And now flip tilapia over and season the other side. And again, rub the seasoning. And now let's put tilapia in the air fryer basket. And now I will put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and flip the tilapia so it cooks more evenly. And now let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer and let tilapia finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the tilapia. Wow, look at that, perfectly cooked. It looks amazing. Let me transfer it to a plate. Perfect. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I'm so excited about trying it. Let me just show you. It's totally cooked inside, flakes so easily with a fork. And now let's try it. So tender, juicy, and delicious. You're going to love cooking tilapia in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!